So today I'm gonna work Ryder on tracking cows for the first time and see how it goes. Just trying to make this a good experience for him. Where are you going? He's been good to mount and everything. Since it laughed at me just then. He's been good to mount until now. I was saddling him. Tim was driving this side by side past and he wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And I threw the saddle pad on him. And he lost it. Not lost it, but he kind of reacted. Not forward. Just getting his head around, make sure I have his head if I need it. The main goal for him is to go forward. And he's been going forward, but I'd rather throw some cows into it to make it more fun, get him used to him. He's been a really nice ride for me, so I'm just gonna walk with some aggression towards the cows. Nothing much. We're not gonna start off really hard. He's just gonna let him do it. Just let him. He's not paying attention, bring his attention back. He's locking on, I'm gonna let him. This is all him. I'm not doing anything. He sees him coming towards him, I'm gonna bump up there. I'm not really working much. Just getting him. There you go. He's locked on, he's unsure where to go. See where he goes. I'm gonna push him over here. Nope, we're not going to bug. I'm going to pull his nose and kick on him. He's not paying attention, so I'm going to pull and kick. I'm letting him get locked on. I don't want to help him. I just have my hands down. He's locked on. I'm just giving him a little squeeze. He's looking at bugs, so I'm going to kick and pull his nose to the cows. Pull his nose to the cow. I'm not really close, but he's not really walking. Kind of kicked really hard there. Kind of see if I can get a cow over here. There you go. Trying to get them. Not really stirred, but kind of let him see them move and all that. I'm not working very fast. Let's try it. It kind of got cold and dropped temperatures too. Keeps the cows going faster. So we're just gonna see which way he goes. There's mud there, he don't like his feet mud. So I'm trying to drive forward and he's not paying attention. Wants to corner him. I'm just gonna get his attention. And I'm not into him much. I'm just letting him. He gets a little attitude and put his 2 cents in it. And I try to get him there. And I'm gonna pull off. So I'm not getting nothing done with those cows, so I'm gonna turn away and walk towards the camera. Then I'll come back at it. The cows are just this is just going to be a light, easy ride. I'm not trying to walk towards the cows, and the cows are going to move. It's just how they all are. I would like to get closer, but for what I'm doing, that's okay. He's trying to take me to the cows now. Just taking a minute and walking away. Then I'm going to send him to the cows. Get the I just want to go try it, and if I go any faster than he's locked on. Just kind of fun. Yeah, he pinned his ears and made him move. His fast shot's okay. And just getting him to track him around. There's mud, that's okay. He's getting mad. On his nose. That was all him there. But my main goal is to try to get him close to a tail, but this is okay. He's locked on, I'm not helping him. This is how all trained cow horses are started. That we start. Right there, he pinned his ears and walked on. Trying to get up into a tail. Get into that cow's tail. He's wanting to get faster. It's okay. Bring it down. I don't have much rain. He put his 2 cents in there and I fussed at him for it. His attention was not on the cows there. Now his attention are on the cow. He wanted to walk on that black one. I want him to go straight. Now we're gonna see if I can get him to go the other way. There's water there. There you go. Good boy. Just want him to track around. Nope. Just somewhere off. There you go. This is the direction. Now, his blow's not very well. There you go. He's licking and chewing. I think that's gonna be all for Ryder today. He's getting mad because he's in mud. He's very picky about mud and stuff. But all of his forward, trying to take me to the cows, is like, this is, sometimes I don't have to kick on them, sometimes I have to kick on them to go. Every once in a while, it's like different. But he was locking on what we needed. The only thing that I would have liked better was to track him out of his right eye instead of his left eye more. Which I'm happy about him pinning his ears and locking on. And we're gonna work out at this a few more times and see what he comes up with. But which I think that's good today for his first time tracking cows. He's never had that done. That's why I started at a walk, because with him different. Every horse is different, but starting at a walk is good. And then asking for a trot and keeping a trot. His fast trot was him walking on, so I let it be because that's pulling forward out. And he's trying to take me to the cows. He's trying to take me to the cows. And everything is going pretty well for Ryder. Tim has a link for Ryder up somewhere. I don't know, up there at the top or something. And thank y'all for watching. Ugh.